Okay, example 2. It was holiday season and everybody was scrambling to find the perfect gift for their friends and family. This year, the hot items were iPod Classic and CD. Kobe and Anthony, two competitive friends, decided they were going to see who could buy the same number of each item for the lowest total cost. After tallying up the damage of this year's holiday frenzy, Kobe spent $25 per iPod Classic and $62 per CD for a total of $883, compared to Anthony, who spent $20 for each CD and $30 for each iPod Classic, summing to a grand total of $570. So let's go ahead and identify the things that we don't know by reading the questions it's asking us. How many iPod Classics did each friend buy? How many CDs did each friend buy? So we've got number of iPods purchased, and we've got number of CDs purchased. We can go ahead and assign variables to these. So arbitrarily, I'm going to make this X and I'm going to make this Y. We don't know these. Let's go back into the problem and identify the things that we do know. So things that we know. We know that Kobe spent $25 per iPod. And we know that Anthony spent $20. We know that Anthony spent $30 per iPod. We also know that Kobe spent $62 per CD and Anthony spent $20 for each CD. The last things that we know that Kobe spent a total of $883, and we know that Anthony spent a total of $570. So you can see that I put everything that's related to Kobe in blue. He spent $25 per iPod, which is X, and he spent $62 per CD, which is Y. And I wrote that wrong. I put 30. Very easy to make a mistake like that. And then I did the same thing for Anthony, right? He spent $30 per iPod, which is X, and he spent $20 per CD, which was Y. And then Kobe spent a total of $883, and Anthony spent a total of $570. So now we can go ahead and develop the plan in the model. Well, it looks like we're given two totals. We're given a total for the amount of money that Kobe spent and a total for the amount of money that Anthony spent. So our first equation is going to have to do with Anthony's total. Our second equation, Kobe's total. So Anthony's equation would be $30 per iPod plus $20 per CD, equaling a total of $570. For Kobe, $25 per iPod plus $62 per the number of CDs that he bought, equaling a total of $883. Now we can go ahead and execute the plan by either graphing using elimination or substitution. I'm going to graph. So let's go ahead and put that in the graphing calculator. And then you can see I've transferred them in, right? We've got Kobe's equation right here in orange, and we've got Anthony's equation right here in purple. And we're looking to see, okay, how many CDs and how many iPods did they both buy? Looks like they bought 13 iPods and 9 CDs. So we can go back here. We know that X equals 13 and Y equals 9. Put this back into our problem. Okay, How many iPod Classics? They bought 13 iPods. And they bought 9 CDs. The third question says, which friend won the competition? Well, they were competing to see who could buy the same number of each item for the lowest cost. Well, if we look at the two, it's quite clear that Anthony spent less money. So we can say, which friend won the competition? Well, Anthony, because he bought the same amount of iPods and CDs for lower cost. How much did the winner save? So, easy to figure this out. How much money did he save compared to Kobe? Well, if we take Kobe's amount and we subtract it from Anthony's amount, it'll be the amount of money that Anthony saved versus, and essentially the amount of money that Kobe did not save. So we subtract these two numbers, what do we get? 883 minus 570 equals $313.